Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to customize the look of the Ubuntu Linux distro. So I have freshly installed this Ubuntu system on my laptop and we are going to see how can we customize this UI and make it look familiar or make it look good. So first, we are going to install an app called GNOME Tweaks. This will be the center or the hub where we are going to control our extensions, the icons, the looks, the GTK themes and all that stuff. So first let's install GNOME Tweaks. So first open the terminal and type sudo apt get install GNOME-tweaks. Enter your password. Give it as and it will install the app for us. So we have installed GNOME Tweaks. Now we will close the terminal. Yes, we have got it. GNOME Tweaks. So here you can see we have various options like appearance. So here we have cursor, icons, shell, sound, background, lock screen, extensions. So we will be using a couple of extensions to customize the UI. Next, fonts. We can customize the fonts, keyboard and mouse, desktop applications. Next, the top bar, how we have to customize it, we can customize it. Next, the title bars, windows and the workspaces. So for now we will close this and we are going to go to a site called GNOME Extensions. From this site we are going to download all these extensions. We will look into them one by one. So first let us open the browser. This time we will search GNOME extensions. So click here, GNOME shell extensions. So this will open the site. And first click the browser extension here. We have to first install the browser extension. So we have downloaded it now. The first extension that will be installing is Arc menu. So we'll click here and click here. So it will turn on the extension and will ask you to install. So click install. And soon after you will see this on icon and here you can see a new button like thing is here and it will bring back the Windows start button like thing. So if you are from Windows and new to Linux, this would be helpful for you. So it brings the start menu just like the Windows OS from the Windows OS. Next, the extension what we are going to install is dash-to-dock. But before installing this dash-to-dock, we have to disable this default Ubuntu dock. For that, first we have to go to the terminal and type here GNOME extensions list. Extensions list. So here we have all the extensions that we have installed. So this is the Ubuntu dock that we are talking about. So we have to disable it. So type gnome extensions disable Ubuntu doc. Then you can press tab, it will autocomplete for you. Click enter and our doc is gone. So for some reason, if you want to bring back the default doc, there's no issue there. Just instead of this disable, you have to just give enable. I will just type it for you again. Extensions enable Ubuntu doc tab. Again we got back our default doc. So again I will disable it because we don't want it anymore. Yes, and I will paste it here. So now we will continue installing our next extension, that is dash to dock. There is also another dash to panel. It will bring the look of the Windows 10 operating system, but I personally like this dash to dock, so I am using it. You can also try your dash to panel. So click on the first one and turn it on. Click install and here you have it. So the next extension is hide top bar. So you'll again go back to extensions. This time you'll search hide top bar. What this extension will do is that when we have a maximized window like this, it will automatically hide it, giving us more screen real estate for using it for other purposes, like for getting more screen space during video editing, or generally it will give you more screen space. So click on the first one and turn it on. Click install. So as you can see, it is automatically hiding it. So now I bring it back, it would automatically come back. Now if I again maximize, it's gone. And next extension is also related to our top bar, that is transparent top panel. Here we got it. What this will do is that when we are having no windows in contact with the top bar or in the home screen, it will make the top bar look transparent, giving us the feel that our screen is much larger than it actually is. So now I have turned on it. So now you can see still the information is visible, but it's transparent, giving us like the more modern look we have to add. So still we can see the informations, but it's transparent. And the last is that was the last extensions that we have to install. Now we will configure these extensions according to our wish, using nothing other than tweaks. So now we have opened tweaks, and now we will go to extensions. Here we can control all the extensions that we have installed. So art menu, dash to dock, everything. We will go through one by one. So here you have many customizing options, even the animation speeds, or if you want any key shortcuts. So make sure that these two are turned on, only then it would be good. So if I move here, it should automatically come. Next we will go to dash to dock. So here I personally like keeping my dock at the bottom, so I'll keep it there. And for now let us turn off this intelligent auto hide, and we will reduce the icon size. And next go to appearance and turn on this option shrink to dash. It would give us a much more good look. And opacity you can leave it in default, or if you want to play with it you can play with it. Now you will turn on this intelligent auto hide. So when we move here we can go to the dock. And one more feature that it brings is that whenever we are in the dock and when we scroll, it will take us to the next workspace. Scroll action you can keep it as cycle through windows or switch workplaces. I personally keep it as switch to workplaces. Now if you scroll, it will take us to the next workspace. So that is about the dash to dock. Next, arc menu also you can play with many other settings. So we have many menu layouts like traditional. Inside traditional there are many layouts, so you can play with this. Menu theme, button appearance, you can change the button appearance. I personally change it because it will give us more good look and feel. I'm using Ubuntu, so I'm using this icon. Next, we can increase the icon size. And even inside the menu, what menu you are using, you can much more customize it. So it gives you much control over the look of the menu. So you can play with it. And that is it about the extensions. So we have successfully installed the extensions now. So next we will be changing the looks and the themes of this Ubuntu system. For that we are going to the next site called the GNOME looks. So I'll close it, and this time we will search GNOME looks. So here you can go. So basically we are going to download 3 things: the GTK theme, which will be the UI theme, and the icons, which will decide the style of the icons. Next, the cursor packs. These 3 we are going to download now. First we will download the themes. So select GTK 3 or 4 themes, and you can search. You can install any of these, but what I personally use is called Sweet. So here it is. I really like this theme very much. So we are going to download. I'm going to install this Sweet Dark V40. You can try the others too, but I personally like this dark theme, so I'm going to download it. Click download. And we have downloaded it. Next we are going to select an icon pack that matches this theme. So I personally like the candy icons, sweet theme and candy icons. So by the name itself there's a match in it. So this is how the icons will look. I personally like this theme, icons. So we'll download this. Save the file. So it has also got downloaded. Next, the cursor pack. I personally like Bibata, and it is liked by many people. It is super minimalistic and at the same time very good looking, if you want to say that way. There are many variations in it, you can try, but I am going with the default. So here we will go and we will download Bibata modem. Download it. Let it download. By the time it downloads, if you found this video useful, please do subscribe to the channel. It would be a big support to me and the channel. And also share this with your friends. They might also find this useful. So it has got downloaded. So we will close the browser for now. And now we will go to files, downloads, and we'll extract it. So now we have extracted it. So let's minimize it, and now we have to open the terminal and type sudo nautilus. What this does is that it gives us root access to us. Now go to other locations, computer, go to the bottom and select this USR. Next you have to go to share, and first we are going to search themes. So we have it here. So these are the defaultly installed themes that we have. So now open the other file theme that we have opened here. So copy the sweep theme, or you can just drag it and drop it here. So we have saved it in this themes folder. So now we are going to install the icons and cursor packs. So now search icons and open it. Candy icons we have here. So just drag and drop it. And go inside the Bibata modem and choose all these 3 files and then move it here. So that is it. Just close all the 2 tabs, and now we will go to tweaks and go to appearance, and here you have applications. So if you have installed it correctly, then you would see this option Sweet Dark. That is the theme that we have installed just now, and boom, the interface is completely changed. And we have the cursor packs here. I personally like Bibata Modernize. You can choose anything you like. And you can see my cursor is changed. I really like this minimalistic design. And it's time for icons now. So here we have candy icons. So we click it, and boom, you can see it here, or even here. Even the files, the colors are changed. Basically that is it. we have already customized a UI. It was much better than it looked before. It's minimalistic. So that is it guys. Thanks for watching. If you found this content useful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are interested in tech and editing. Also, share this video to your Linux user friends. They might also find this useful. And stay in contact because in the next week or so, I will be posting a video on Linux apps that you must have. So don't miss it. With that said, catch you guys in the next one. Until then, do your thing and stay safe. Fearless.